we are going to do the book back exercise which is in your book page number 64. We are going to do the book back exercise on main verbs and helping verbs. Okay. So already we have learned about main verbs as well as helping verbs. Am I right? So what are main verbs? Do you remember the two key words which is mean for main verbs? Yes. What are they? Yes. Action words. So main verbs are action words. What about helping verb, children? Yes, helping verbs means it helps the main verb only. And what are helping verbs? Yes, am, is, are, was, were. These are the helping verbs. Okay. So before starting my class, I am going to tell you one short moral thought. Okay. You have to tell me what do you understand. Okay. So just imagine now I have a magnifying glass on my hand. Okay. I have a magnifying glass, that is Budha Kannadi, in my hand. Okay. Now I want to focus this magnifying glass on a paper through the sunlight, so that I can burn this paper. But if I shake my hand like this without focusing properly, if I am shaking my hand, what will happen? Will the paper burn? No, it won't burn, because I need to have a stiff hand to focus the paper, right? So that I have to hold the magnifying glass tightly without shaking my hand. If I shake, the paper won't burn, right? So that if I focus only, the paper will burn. So likewise Malay, what I am going to tell you means you have to focus on whatever you are trying to do. Okay, if you are going to read something, or if you are going to do something, if you are going to draw something, you have to focus on one thing only. Like this, for example, now only I said, no, if you are shaking your hand while holding the magnifying glass, the sunlight won't pass into the magnifying glass and the paper won't burn. Okay. If you are not shaking your hand, if you are focusing properly only, the paper will burn. Likewise only, whatever if you are going to do, like if you are going to paint or draw or read or write, you have to focus on that thing. What some children will do means they will be writing, but somewhere they will be watching. On the other hand, they are watching the TV as well as they are reading. But at a time, if you are doing two, we will lose our focus only. So whatever you are doing, focus on something which is important. If you are reading or studying or drawing, that is important. You can watch TV, or you can talk with your friend later also. But if you are if you are doing some important thing, focus on that thing, so that you can success that thing. If you are losing your focus, and it will take much time, and you have to sit full day to write or to finish it. Okay. So focus on something which is important to you. Finish it the work. Then do whatever you want to do, like in your free time. Okay. Now let's start our class. Okay. So already said it is in your book bag. In which page number? Yes, page number 64 only. So here there are two Romans I have written. On the first Roman you have to underline the main verbs, and in the second Roman you have to underline the helping verbs. Okay. So we know what are main verbs and what are helping verbs. So let's start our class. Okay. So I am going to read the first Roman topic. Read the following sentences and underline the main verbs. So here they have given 4 sentences. Now I am going to read out one by one. You have to help me to find out the main verb. You have to help me to find out the main verbs. Okay, let me read out. We play football every day. We play football every day. So here, can you identify which is a main verb? Can you tell me which is the main verb here? We play football every day. So already we know what is main verb. Yes, action word. Main verbs are the action words. So can you find any action word in this? Yes, what is it? Play. Yes, playing, play is an action word. So we have find the main verb from the first question. So the answer is play. We play football every day. Here play is a main verb. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. I work on my science project. I work on my science project. Okay. So here can you find the main verb, which is an action word here? Is I is an action word? No. My science project, no, on, no. So what is a main verb here? Work only. Work means doing something, right? So the doing word are the main verb only. Okay. So I am going to underline the word work. So work is a main verb. It is an action word. Work means what? We are going to do some work only, right? Okay. Next, do the third question. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Marcus helps his mother in the kitchen. Here, can you find the main verb which is an action word? Marcus, no. Mother, no. The mother and Marcus are the nouns only, right? Kitchen also a noun only. Can you find any main verb, any action words? Right? Help. Yes, helps here. Helps is a main verb only. Okay, it talks about it. It has been added yes because it is a third person, so that the main verb comes with by adding yes into it. Okay, so the correct answer will be help. Help is also an action word. Help. I am doing. If I want to help means I need to show some action. So help is an action word only. Okay. Now let's read out the last question. I plant 2 trees every day. Sorry, every year. I plant 2 trees every year. So here, can you tell me which is the main verb? Yes, any action word? Is every year an action word? No. Is tree an action word? No. What about I, to? No. Plant. Planting. Planting means what? In Tamil, nadrathu, right? So that is an action word only. So that action word referred to main verb. So here which is an action word? Yes, plant is an action word. So let me read out the action words for you. That is the main verb for you. Whatever main verb we have found out here. Yes, play, work, help, plant. These are the main verbs from this first Roman. Okay. Are you clear? Remember that what are main verbs? Yes, action words only. In the sentence, if you find any action word, then that is a main verb only, and it comes after the subject only. See, after the subject. Subject means it is the first word about which person we are talking. No, so in the first word it will come. After the first word will be the main verb only. The action words. Playing is an action word. Work, action word. Helping, yes, action word. And plant, this is also an action word. So all the action words are main verbs only. Okay. So now read out. I am going to read out the second Roman for you. Okay. Read the following sentences and underline the helping verbs. Read the following sentences and underline the helping verbs. So what are helping verbs, students? Yes. These 5 words are helping verbs. These 5 words are helping verbs only. That is am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. These 5 are helping verbs. If you find out any one of this word in the sentences, you have to put underline only. Okay. So read the following sentences and underline the helping verbs. It is very easy. See, only these 5 words we are going to find out. Okay. So shall we start? Yes. Let me read out the first question for you. We are playing football now. We are playing football now. Here, can you find the helping verb? Yes. Which is the helping verb here? Yes. Are. A-R-E-R. See, are is a helping verb. So here also we can find out are. R-A-R-E-R. So A-R-E-R is a helping verb only. Okay. Next, shall we read the second sentence? Okay. I am working on my science project. I am working on my science project. Can you find the helping verb? Yes. What is that? Am. See, if you are still confusing, you have to by heart these words. Okay. What are helping words? Am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, are, was, were. These 5 are helping words. So whenever if the question is asking you to underline the helping verbs, means you have to underline only these 5 words in the sentences. Okay. So now we have already find out are, er. It is also a helping verb. Am is a helping verb only. Now let's go for the third question. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. Can you find helping verb here? Yes, what is it? See, am, is, are, was, were. Can you find any one of the words in the sentence? Yes, what is it? Is. Correct. So, is a helping verb. Okay. Let's do the last one. I am planting a tree now. I am planting a tree now. Here, can you find the helping verb? Am, is, are, was, were. These 5 are helping verbs. Can you find any one of this in the sentence? Yes. What is it? Am. Correct. So am is a helping verb. So how many? What are the helping words we have found in the following sentences? Yes. Are, am, is, am. These are the helping verbs only. And you can look at the sentences, children. Always helping verbs comes after the main verb only. Here, can you tell me the main verb in the first sentence? Yes, play. Play is a main verb. Here, work is a main verb. We have already underlined here. Am I right? See, play, work, help, plant are the helping verb. Here also we can find play, work, help, plant are the helping verb only. But whenever the main verb comes with the helping verb, we need to add ing at the end. If you are using helping verb in the sentences, you have to add ing in the main verb only. Now, play will become like playing. Work, now it become working. What about help? Now it's become helping. And plant, now it became planting. So remember that if a main verb comes with helping verb, the main verb should add ing into it. Okay? So clear, children? I hope you all are clear with this exercise. It is very easy. We know now, we are very clear about what is main verb and what is helping verb. Can you give me one more? Can you tell me one more time what is a main verb? Yes, main verb are the action words. And what about helping verbs? Yes, helping verbs are am, is, are, was, were. These 5 are the helping verbs. It helps the main verb to tell the time of the action. You can see we are playing football now. When we are playing football, we are playing now only. So are it is used to tell the time only. Okay, same. I am working on my science project. Now I am working on my science project. Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. Now Marcus is helping his mother in the kitchen. I am planting a tree now. I am planting a tree now. It tells the helping words, helps the main verb to tell the time of the action only. But only the helping word won't tell us any meaning. It comes with the main verb only. Okay. So in the next video, we are going to learn lot of things about the helping verbs only. So I hope you are clear with this exercise. You can also make many sentences by using am, is, are, was, were, or else you can take any page and find out the main verb as well as the helping verb. Put circle for main verb and put underline for the helping verbs. Okay. Thank you, children.